Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Figma Desktop, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Figma Desktop, start by closing the application completely. If the application is still running, locate the Figma icon in your taskbar or dock and right-click it. Choose Quit or Close to ensure the app is not in use. For Windows users, open the Control Panel by typing Control Panel in the search bar. Select Programs and then click on Programs and Features. Scroll through the list of installed programs to locate Figma. Once found, click on Figma to highlight it. Then, click on the Uninstall button at the top of the window. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. For Mac users, open the Finder and navigate to the Applications folder. In the Applications folder, locate the Figma app. Click and drag the Figma app to the trash bin on your dock. Alternatively, you can right-click the Figma app and select Move to Trash. To fully remove Figma from your Mac, empty the trash bin. To ensure all related files are removed, open the Library folder. You can access the library by holding down the Option key and clicking on Go in the Finder menu. Look for any folders related to Figma, such as Application Support or Caches. Delete any Figma-related files you find in the. Finally, restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. Figma Desktop is now completely uninstalled from your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.